Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Tiki Wiki on Ubuntu 22.04. First, updating your system packages to the latest version is recommended. You can update them with the following command. Tiki Wiki requires several dependencies, including a web server, a database server, and PHP. We'll start by installing these necessary packages. Now, install Apache Web Server. Next, install MySQL Database Server. After that, install PHP and the required extensions. Next, we'll set up a MySQL database and user for Tiki Wiki. First, log in to the MySQL shell. Next, create a new database for Tiki Wiki. Then, create a new MySQL user and grant privileges. Now, download the latest stable release of Tiki Wiki from the official website and extract it to the web server's root directory. Navigate to the TMP directory. Download Tiki Wiki by running the following command. Next, extract the downloaded archive. Then, move the extracted files to the web server root directory. Now, please set up an Apache virtual host for Tiki Wiki to make it accessible via your domain name or IP address. Create a new Apache configuration file. Then, add the following configuration. Next, enable the new virtual host and the rewrite module. After that, restart Apache to apply the changes. You can also check the status of Apache with the following command. You will get the following output. Next, ensure that the web server has the correct permissions to write to the Tiki Wiki directory. Now, open your web browser and navigate to your Tiki Wiki instance. Select your language and click the Continue button. You should see the following page. Click on Continue to agree to the license agreement. Make sure all tests are green, then click Continue. Next, enter your database details and click Continue. Choose your database engine and click Install. Once the installation is complete, you should see the following page. Click Continue. Then, provide your site information and click Continue. Click on Enter Tiki and lock installer. You will see the admin user creation page. Set your admin password and click Apply. You will then see the Tiki Wiki dashboard. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Tiki Wiki on the Ubuntu 22.04 server.